Isn't it beautiful?
Hiya. Hiya.
Hi.
All right. You probably can't tell on camera how steep this hill is, but it is very steep and very loose, so I keep sliding around. So in terms of riding gravel or whether using a mountain bike and calling it a gravel road, or using a gravel bike and calling it a gravel road. There's plenty about in the Chilterns, and you can start and finish, if you wish, all of them from the wilderness cafe called Chiltern Velo. Chiltern Velo is absolutely fabulous. You can have sandwiches, cakes, all kinds of things, but the beauty of it, it's in the wilderness, in the countryside, deep in the countryside, so you can park up there, take your bikes and ride around the Chilterns, and you can do a lot of it off-road starting from there. So as you've seen, there's some road, very narrow country lanes, and then you've got a lot of double track gravel, you've got bridleways, and you've got stuff like this, which is more of a bridleway, which is a bit grassy, a bit of grass, and single track trails. The difference is double track is wider, single track is narrow, in simple terms. But this is a fabulous place to come riding. I know I talk about cycling in this video, but most of the time I'm hiking, but I do cycle a lot, and I thought for those of you who watch my videos and love cycling, whether it's on your own or with your family, come here, park up at the Chiltern Velo, have a coffee, have a piece of cake, start riding, and then finish off at the Chiltern Velo. Jump in your car, go home. If you want to take a train or a tube, there's a tube station in Chesham, so it's not far from Chesham. It's about 1.5 miles, 2 miles away from Chesham, so you can jump on your bike in London, for example, take the train to Chesham or tube, and from there cycle wherever you want, or through Chiltern Velo, and then build your trails from here. It's something that's fun, exciting, and a great place to be, and it's on your doorstep. If you live in London or the surrounding counties, the Chiltern Hills is glorious, and it's right on your doorstep. Oh, wow. Look at these beautiful hills. Look at that. Did you see that? Oh my. Oh. Okay. No. 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 Cancel. It's beeping at me as if to say I have fallen, and was about to send a message to my contacts who I've put into the Garmin in emergency should I have a bad fall. But no, that's what went flying. Oh. A few scuffs on it. Wow, I've never had that happen before. I don't really need this light on gravel, but it's I'm used to it for when I ride in London or in urban areas. Oh wow, oh wow, the whole thing's just... All right, I gotta fix this, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's more of a POV, point of view video of the gravel tracks and cycling in the Chilterns. Well, this is it. I've got a couple more miles to do. I'm just going to ride it out, chill, take in everything I can while I'm in the wilderness and nature. But I hope this video has inspired you to actually get out into the Chilterns and maybe bring your family or come alone, come cycling if you're a road cyclist or a commuter in London or the surrounding counties, but you want to do more adventurous riding, then the Chiltern Hills is the perfect place to be. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and like the video down below. If you're not a subscriber and you've got to the end of my video, then please go ahead and subscribe to my video. It supports my video. It doesn't do anything else. I don't make any money off of it. Just supports my cause of inspiring people to get outdoors.